Aircraft component manufacturing demands unmatched precision, uncompromising quality, and complete traceability. Every component, from structural assemblies and engine parts to landing gear, avionics, and critical flight systems, must meet the highest safety and regulatory standards. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of aircraft component manufacturing while ensuring operational excellence and complete production control. With PMTechERP, every business function is connected through a single integrated platform. From engineering, bill of materials, procurement, and production planning to machining, assembly, quality inspection, inventory management, and dispatch, every process is managed efficiently with real-time visibility. Advanced production planning helps optimize resources, improve machine utilization, reduce bottlenecks, and ensure on-time project completion. Quality is at the heart of aerospace manufacturing. PMTechERP supports in-process inspections, non-conformance management, revision control, serial and batch traceability, and complete documentation throughout the production lifecycle. Every component can be tracked from raw material to final delivery, ensuring compliance with stringent aerospace standards and customer requirements. Integrated inventory and supplier management ensure critical materials